You can collect basil or tulsi seeds for sowing in next season. Basil flowers in September-October and its fruits become mature for harvesting in November and December. The germination capacity of the basil seeds is very poor and it has also dormancy. Therefore, after harvesting and extraction of seeds, they should be kept for at least 8 to 12 weeks. Then only they can be sown into the soil and germinate. Sowing of the basil seeds should be done in the month of May and June, and seedlings becomes for transplanting into permanent place or in pot after 25 to 30 days of sowing. So collect the basil seeds, put the seeds under sun for drying, and then pack the seeds into airtight bottles or container and store. Store the seed at least for 8 to 12 weeks. Thereafter you can sow the seeds into the nursery or into the pot. So these are the tulsi seeds. As you have seen the process of extractions, now these seeds can be stored into an airtight container. Again remember that the seeds should not be sown immediately after extraction because of the dormancy in seeds. So put the seeds at least for 8 to 12 weeks. Thereafter sow the seeds into the nursery bed, and then the seeds will germinate into a seedlings, and 25 to 30 days old seedlings can be planted from the nursery bed into the pot or in the beds or even in the field for commercial cultivation of basil. Thank you.